In this short video, I am visiting a farm near Brookville, Ohio, as they are side dressing their 2026 corn crop. In the field, they are running their Case International 355 Magnum Rowtrac tractor, pulling a Case International applicator. Side dressing corn is putting nitrogen between the rows, so it's a 28% nitrogen mix, pretty common in our part of the world. Guys will put some starter fertilizer and some nitrogen down when they plant the crop, and then come back when the corn's up and lay down some nitrogen between the rows. I did not ask these guys, but oftentimes guys will also add sulfur to the nitrogen and maybe some other ingredients. Spring in our part of the world started out really good in early April. A lot of guys were able to get in the field. The ground was dry, it was warm, it was working up very nice, and a lot of guys got their crops planted early. Then it got cold. We actually got down to the freezing mark a couple nights, had a lot of rain. But anyways, everything's coming out of it pretty good here. Now, if you look across this field, you will see some greener spots, some lighter spots, and so forth. You'll also be able to see the tile lines as they go across this field. But that is one thing about drone footage I've noticed is you can drive down the road, look at a field, and it all looks pretty good. But you pop that drone up in the air 20, 30 feet, and it can sometimes look completely different. But hey, that's enough of me rambling on talking here. Let's watch this tractor and applicator in action. that is going to do it for this video. If you would, please go down there, hit that like button. Feel free to leave a comment. If you're new to my channel, I would appreciate if you would hit that subscribe button and check back often for new videos. I am always filming, editing, and uploading new content. You can also follow me along on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at Farmhand Mike. As always, thank you for watching, and I will catch you on the next video.